UAE just challenged America's two biggest financial weapons at the same time. Since 1974, the world has run on two rules. First, oil is sold only in dollars. It's called the petrodollar system, and it is why every country on earth is forced to hold dollars and why America is still powerful. Rule 2. An organization called OPEC controls how much oil is pumped and at what price. And on 1st May 2026, UAE punched both the rules in the face. First, the threat, where they told Washington that if you don't give us a currency line, we will start selling our oil in Chinese yuan. A swap line is basically an emergency dollar credit card from the US Federal Reserve, and the yuan threat is just a leverage to get that. And then, the exit. After 6 decades, they have announced their exit from OPEC because they want to pump 5 million barrels a day by 2027, and OPEC's quotas were holding them back. Now they're free to flood the market, which means more oil, more competition, and eventually lower prices. But here's the twist. UAE is not broke. They have over $300 billion in reserves and over $2 trillion in sovereign wealth funds. So they are just starved for liquidity right now. Basically, just imagine that someone has 10 crores in property but only 500 rupees in their wallet and all the ATMs are shut. That is UAE right now. The Iran war shut down the Strait of Hormuz. Oil shipments crashed. Dollar income stopped overnight. The crisis did not create this move, it just gave them an excuse. And the petrodollar itself is already crashing. In 2000, dollars were 70% of global central bank reserves. Today, just 57%. It's falling roughly 1% a year, quietly and steadily. Now, why this hits your wallet in India? India imports 85% of its oil in dollars. So when oil prices rise and rupee weakens at the same time, your petrol, your flights, your groceries all become expensive, even though with a lag. And India is already adapting. We already pay for Russian oil in rupees and ruble. And with a weaker OPEC, cheaper crude oil is coming our way. So while the world panics about the petrodollar cracking, India is already building its way out.